Hello student, welcome to Geography Standard 10th Climate Part 4. In this part, we are going to study the graph of four metropolitan cities of India, that is Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. Average annual temperature and precipitation graph. So here the graph is given and few questionnaires are asked. In the SSC board exam also such type of graphs are given and questions are asked for 4 marks. So these questions you have to answer, my dear students. So let us prepare from that point of view. So first question which is asked for us is, what difference do you find in the rainy season of Chennai and other cities of India, and why? The answer is, it rains in Chennai from May to December. On the other hand, it rains from June to September in Kolkata, Mumbai and Delhi. Most of the region of India receives rain from the southwest monsoon wind for nearly 4 months, that is from June to September. The southern part of India receives rain from the southeast as well as northeast monsoon wind. Chennai is located in the southern part of India. Hence, it receives rain from nearly 7 to 8 months from May to December. The second question is, what similarity do you see in the temperature curves of Delhi and Kolkata? They are almost the same. The temperature of Delhi is minimum 7 degrees Celsius and maximum 41 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, Kolkata's 8 degrees Celsius to 36 degrees Celsius. Question 3. Calculate the average range of minimum and maximum temperature of all the four cities. So let us see. The Delhi minimum temperature is 7 degrees Celsius and maximum 41 degrees Celsius. Kolkata minimum 8 degrees Celsius and maximum 36 degrees Celsius. Mumbai minimum 17 degrees Celsius and maximum 34 degrees Celsius. Chennai minimum 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Next question is, in which city is the range minimum? What can you infer from this? The answer is, Delhi's temperature is minimum, that is to 6 degrees Celsius. That is because it is located in the north direction. Question 5. In which city is the range maximum? What can you infer from this about its climate? Delhi's maximum temperature is 41 degrees Celsius. So, Delhi's minimum temperature is 6 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 41 degrees Celsius. So, too much of variations are found over here. In the winter it is very cold and in the summer it is very, very hot. Based on the temperature and rainfall of Mumbai, comment upon its climate. So Mumbai's climate is hot and humid. Next question. In which months does India experience the highest rainfall? The highest rainfall is experienced by India is in the month of July and August. Classify the cities as cities with equable and extreme climate. So, equable climate is found in Mumbai and Chennai. That is because their minimum and maximum difference of temperature is not much. Extreme climate is found in Delhi and Kolkata because their minimum and maximum temperature difference is more. In this way, we have seen the average annual temperature and precipitation graph of four metropolitan cities of India, mainly Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Chennai.